Alright guys, so I finally got the bike kind of a little bit together, so I wanted to start throwing some shit on that I can, and that includes the new, this is a 05 crf450. I have the old plastics over there, and I'm going with the 09 to 13 front. So I got the front fender on yesterday, and I made a little bracket for it the other day, today actually. So I got the bolts on, had to drill the 2 forward bolts, and then the rear ones, there is bolt holes, they're under these washers. They were a little too far forward to actually fit right, so I ended up drilling behind the bolt holes, and then I just egg shaped them, so that means I got a little bit of forward and back movement on these holes. That mounted up pretty fucking slick, nice and easy. Of course, the bottom, I got one of the stadium number plates, so that's just going to mount to my forks with zip ties. But you can use the stock one, and I believe everybody's been mounting it right to them 2 holes. And I see a lot of guys, they do on the top, they'll fucking, instead of making a bracket or doing some kind of setup, they'll just, these are the mounting plates for the number plate, they'll stick some zip ties right through these, right around the clamps, or not even bother with that and clamp, you know, clamp that around your bars and then zip tie it the best you can. But I wanted to kind of make it a little easier, and this is what I came up with. It's a nice little piece of aluminum. Pretty much all I did was laid it out. I got the width of the 2 mounting holes for the number plate, marked that. Then I went out 2 inches, and that gives me a little gap so I can still run lines and all that good shit. And mount it up, man. So now that I mounted it right to the number plate itself. And these are tapped, but I'll end up throwing some bolts on, nuts on these there just to secure them a little better. But now that it's on the number plate, all you gotta do is do it just like you would your stock one for, you know, the earlier models. But yeah, you just unbolt your that one top clamp bolt. You can pull your whole thing right off. It's nice and secure. It's on there good. That ain't going anyways. But yeah, she's on. Just wanted to give another point of view for putting on these number plates. I know it's always good to watch videos and get different ideas and get the mind turning, see what you can make. Alright guys.